Hello everyone, this is Khaldun from Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful Anza espresso machine. It comes to us with like it was give when the customer was trying to pull a shot, nothing come out from here, and instead we used to leak the water from down there. So when I tested, I found out like this water valve, air valve, what they call it, was leaking all the time, so it doesn't hold any pressure. What surprised me, I found like this, it's like this water pump in it, it was like ECM. So I just replaced it. Then I got, this is the official one for Anza, and it's the same. It didn't work also well. It works, but not the perfect way. Then I get this another one like from Anza, and I replaced it, but sadly it gets broken and break the water pump too. So I just replaced the water pump also, and I didn't charge the customer for that. Then I noticed there was like another leak and the pressure wasn't like enough. So I found out this three-way solenoid valve broken. So same story, I just like replace it again. So let's go ahead and test it and make espresso shot on this machine. Let me do it without water filter first. Here you go, this is the pre-infusion. Perfect, look at this great shot with thick crema, 3 layers of coffee. So let's test the hot water. See, that works perfect. Let's test the steamer. It takes a bit until it gets hot. That works perfect. So the machine functioning perfect. And also, yeah, the machine got a tune-up and got descaled and replaced the group head gasket with a shower screen after deep cleaning for the group head and deep cleaning for also the steam one. Thank you for watching.